Hey there mga asin kuis, it's your Kuis Guys here and we are back with another reaction video for JM De La Serna and Mariel Montellano. Fresh pa ito sa nakita ko lang sa YouTube na kaka-upload lang recently. Parang tayo lang din, fresh bagong ligo. Anyway, dun sa mga sumali ng paraffol natin at sa mga sumunod dun sa ating instruction, dun sa aking You Are The Reason reaction video for JM and Mariel, yung raffle ticket natin is for their concert sa December 9. Pwede pa kayo humabol. Okay? Doon sa mga hindi pa nakasali, pwede pa humabol. Pero sold out na po yung tickets. And nangyari lang na una tayo nakabili naman bago natin. Bago sila nag-sold out. At bago rin naman natin in-announce na meron tayong paraffle. So, ihabol nyo lang yan. And we will do the raffle on November 17, 8 p.m. Friday. Kasabay ng tickets raffle for Sarah G and Bamboo. Okay? So, good luck, good luck. Thank you sa mga sumali na noted na yung mga names ninyo. So, pakitingnan na lang sa aking Facebook page yung You Are The Reason performance ni JM and Mariel. Nandun yung instruction kung paano kayo makakasali sa raffle for their concert sa December 9. Okay? Alright, alright. So, tara, panoorin na natin tong Destiny performance ni Jamel. Sa showtime.
Okay. Ayan. Ayo.
Uy, namiss ko yung boss ni Mariel. Yung ganyang kalinis. Yung ganyang kalinis, ganyang kaklaro, ganyang nipis na bagay, no? Babaeng babae. Ganyan na. Yun. Woo! Wow. Yan sana, yan yung nakakaingit naman sa part ni JM, no? Siyempre, di ba kumakanta nga tayo. Tapos yung ganyang boses na, ay, kahit ano atang kanta ibigay kay JM, kaya niya eh. So, very very flexible yung voice niya. Tapos, sobrang nagko-complement yung boses nilang dalawa. Kaya, nakakatawa. And, di na rin ako mapaghintay kasi November 1 now, no? Isang buwan pa at ilang araw bago pa yung concert nila. At least, naka-book na tayo for December to watch their concert. And, gusto ko marinig to ng live, yung Destiny. Maganda yung song. Napapanahon. Maganda. Nagsasanyasan pa sila, no? Normally kasi naman gano'n eh, pag may kadueto ka, sanyasan. Kasi syempre, sino bang mag-take dito? Or, though, baka lang wala lang sila. Kasi for sure alam nila yan eh, na ang next part ay si JM. Lalaki yung, kay Jim Brickman na part yun. Though walang nag-adlib sa gitna. Ayan pala, abangan natin yung ibabali nila rito sa song na to. Kasi 'di ba, alam natin sanay sila sa ganon, tapos nabibigyan nila tayo ng bagong tunog. Tingnan natin. So far, pa eh. Steady. Same. Yun na. Binibigyan na tayo ni JM. Wait, parang nagkamali siya. Ayan. May monitor sila sa harap for the lyrics. Until my love, until the end of time yata sinabi ni JM.
But forever was just a word, something I'd only thought about. But now you're always there for me. When you say forever, I believe, baby, you're my day.
Ang galing, ganun na ng build up talaga. Alam niyo yun, natural eh. Hindi nga masyadong nilakasan ni Mariel yung voice niya to that. Ano pa din, sweet, very sweet no, yung kanyang rendition ng nitong Destiny sa kanyang boses. And okay, love is in the air, ganun yung feels. I'm sure yan din na nararamdaman nyo na nakikinig sa kanila.
Destiny, you and I were meant to be. With all my heart and soul, in my love to have and hold. And as far as I can see,
Yon, did you hear that from Mariel? Yung kanyang second voice na higher.
to have and hold. And as far as I can see, you are always meant
Adlib na pasok sa tune.
to be my destiny. Oh, baby, all we need is just a little bit.
Wait pala, ano sila? Regular ba sila sa Showtime? Are they regular sa Showtime na kasi Showtime online though. Hindi ito yung nasa YouTube lang, I think. Hindi lumalabas sa TV. So regular ba silang performer doon? Tsaka nag-ASAP na ba sila? Kasi parang may nabasa ko minsan Jamie ASAP. I don't know kung patrend lang yon na gusto sila mag-perform sa ASAP or nag-ASAP ba sila. Pero wala akong makitang video. Paki-comment niya Jamiel Blues.
Baby, I believe love will find a way.
Nice yung ginagawa nila. May mga songs naman kasi na hindi mo naman kailangan laging baliin na mawawala na yung. Ito kasi very classic love song na alam natin eh, di ba? So nandun yung touch ng Jamiel, pero they stick to the original, yung most of it. Pero nandun yung touch nila na okay, yung mga bandang dulo no, nila, which is fine kasi pumapasok pa din dun yung artistry nila.
Baby, you're my destiny.
Parang nagkagulatan sa nota.
Baby, you're
Ayun no. May sinasabi si Mariel eh.
Baby, you're my destiny. You and I.
Nagkagulatan. Natawa sila eh. May hindi nakahit. Pero okay lang. Minimal.
Meant to be with all my heart and soul. In my love to have and hold.
Nasa recording lang yun, hindi yun kay JM.
And as far as I can see, from now until eternity, you are always meant to be.
Nice! Nice! Ang ganda ng bali dun. Ay.
You are always meant to be. You are always meant to be.
JM.
My destiny. Grabe naman ang Jamie.
Alright. So, grabe nga naman talaga sila, no? Yan. Kilig na kilig yung dalawa. Oo. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. ayun nga, sinabi ko kanina na gusto ko mapanood to, kantayin nila to sa concert nila. At more love songs pa kasi yun talaga yung doon natin sila minahal, no? Na pina-follow talaga natin na yung mga duets nila. Iba yung dating, especially with their voices na sobrang nagko-compliment, sobrang pinaparating sa atin yung love through their voices pag nag-harmonize na silang dalawa. Amazing how these two voices complement, di ba? And then we suddenly feel love pagka narinig natin sila. What if I never knew? What if I never found you? I never had this feeling in my heart. Yeah. And that has been the reaction natin for Destiny performance nila Mariel and JM. Kayo naman mga asin ko ano masabi sa performance nila. Please do comment, okay? And let's read it. Let's ban sa comment section. Maraming salamat sa panood ng video to. Like kayo, mag-ingat. Bye-bye.